Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Y'all are watching Food Venture Folks. The moment we entered this restaurant, there was a nice gallery wall where curated collection of celebrity photographs were displayed. This place is called Fresh Catch by Francis and it looks like they are known for their Goan cuisine. Straight from their kitchen, the aroma of fish is just lingering in the air. So let's not waste time. I have just ordered for a few starters. So let's just dig in. So this is bombil tawa fry. Let's squeeze some lime on this. They've also given some accompaniments along with this. I think this is this looks like some mint chutney. I think this one is the red chili chutney. I'm trying out both the chutneys at the same time. You can actually feel that crackling semolina in every bite. It's been fried so well. पप्पा कैसे आ
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास
बरे आ ती चटणी बरी आहे
एकदम मस्त
कंची वाली कंची चटणी
ही चटणी
रेड chili. So we are here at Fresh Catch by Francis and we are joined by Mr. Mervin Fernandez and he's the operational head. Hi Mervin, nice to meet you.
Hello.
If you could please introduce yourself and tell us more about this restaurant, please.
This restaurant is basically started in 1998. It's basically started with a Konkani coastal seafood cuisine in Mahim. This is the second restaurant which is put up by Francis's son and daughter.
Okay.
We do the North Canara stuff over here.
All right.
It's basically a mix of Goan and Karwari North Canara cuisine here.
Right.
And basically people come here to have this delicacy which you won't find. It's a homely made dishes which are brought to us by Francis's mother.
Okay. Now the next that we've ordered is the pomfret harabara and I've been told by the staff that this is Sachin Tendulkar's favorite dish. It looks like a medium-sized pomfret fish. Do you see that? I mean, this fish is so pristine from inside. I love it with the skin on it. Let's go for this one. I like how the fish is just lathered with all the masala on it. This is green masala. I think there's fresh mint and coriander in it. I like how the green masala is embedded in this pomfret. I've tried many other restaurants where they serve nice Goan food. So if you enjoy watching Goan food, then do head to the playlist of my channel and you'll get all the videos out there. Now the next that we've ordered is the prawns rechado. So this prawns rechado is nice and spicy and as you can see it's got a nice charred burnt taste to it. It's really delicious. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, then do hit that like button. मम्मी ट्राय करून सांग कैसा. कैसा है टेस्ट?
बरं आहे असं व्हेरी नाईस.
बरं आहे. कैसा आपा?
बऱ्या
स्पायसी आहे.
ठीक आहे एकदम. आणि नेट वेगळी घालल्या.
मिरी आने ब्लैक पेपर. सो देव यूज ब्लैक पेपर. ब्लैक पेपर का इस्तेमाल किया है. बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. इट्स दैट आफ्टर टेस्ट विच यू गेट ऑफ ब्लैक पेपर.
Here we have Sachin Tendulkar coming here often, and
Okay.
He used to come since Francis's time
Okay.
from Mahim, and he's coming here often, very often. He was there for his 50th birthday celebration here, and the food for every shoot has been ordered by him.
Okay.
And he prefers this harabara pomfret, rishado pomfrets, crab meat, and bombil. These are his favorite.
Now next I've ordered for this mocktail here. So this one is the Panna Pop. Wow, it's so refreshing. This is actually a strawberry flavor, and I can feel some strawberry, and there's some guava also in it. The top, on the edge, what you see, this is salt and red chili powder. This has got a flavor of aam panna. Wow. Now let's try this one. This is also island sting. Wow, this has got a nice guava taste to it. Out of all the three, I like this one more. This has a nice punch of strawberry as well as guava in it.
So this crab meat goes well with the neer dosa.
Okay. So this one, what we've ordered is the crab meat butter garlic. Let's dig into it. I've been told that this goes really well when paired with the neer dosa. So this is the neer dosa. You can see how soft and fluffy this is. Wow. I want to take all of this fried garlic. I'm sure this is gonna taste like heaven. So these are de-shelled mud crabs. The taste that you get is very mild and really nice. These are mud crabs, as I said earlier, and all that you can taste is the crab meat and the burnt garlic. The burnt garlic flavor is really yummy in this, and there's just a hint of pepper in it. Now next we've ordered for this Sippi Sukha. These are clams, and I like the way they've served it in this small little bowl. This is so cute. It looks like a miniature bathtub. The best part about clams is that its shell is hollow. So when the masalas are getting mixed in the pan, all of the masalas get settled inside, as you can see here. So you can scoop out all of the masalas and the meat in one go. we've ordered for this chicken rosa, and this is the boiled rice. The rice is steaming hot. This one is the mango pickle, and I've been told by the staff that this comes from Honavar. Look at the rice. This is the red rice. This looks so chubby. Can call it as a chubby rice. And the chicken, as you can see, it's so soft. The chicken is really soft and moist. This chicken rosa curry is nice and thick, and it's quite flavorful.
Chicken rosa curry.
Ordered for this steam rice, and this one is prawns amboti. The chicken rosa curry really steals the show. Now let's see what this prawns amboti curry is all about. So there are these medium-sized prawns which are added, and I can see lots of onions, sliced onions, and the color looks brilliant. You can see how thick this gravy is, and there's so much of gravy holding onto the spoon. Just as the name suggests, for this prawns amboti, it goes by its name. It's really amboti. I like the taste, texture of this curry, as well as the chicken rosa curry that we ordered. Both are the highlights of the main course that we ordered, and I would suggest that if you guys are coming here, do try this out. So I'm going to end my meal at Fresh Catch by Francis by this refreshing soul curry. It's nice and chilled. This soul curry is a concoction of thick coconut milk, garlic and kokum, and it's really soulful. And this is a thick coconut milk that they've used. So in fact, I feel it's the first coconut milk, the first extract of the coconut milk, not the second and third. I don't think there's any water used in this. The soul curry is nice and thick. I want you to see the thickness of this soul curry. Now next we've ordered for this bibinka, and this is a traditional Goan sweet, as you all would know. Let's try it out. We had tried bibinka when I was in Goa last time, and I had tried this at the Infanteria restaurant. If you've not watched that video, you can check it out from the playlist. You can see the thumbnail right now. You can watch that video once you're done with this one. I like their serving style. They've served this with the wooden spoon. It's soft, sweet, and there's a slight hint of nutmeg in it. It's really yummy. I've been told by the staff that this bibinka actually comes from Goa. So it's come all the way from Goa. बिबिंका मम्मीचे फेवरेट असा. मम्मी कैसे हा?
बरे आसा, व्हेरी नाईस बिबिंका, व्हेरी नाईस.
टेस्टी हा?
टेस्टी आसा एकदम मस्त.
I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, then please click on like and subscribe to my channel because I keep posting such videos. There's a new feature of hype on YouTube, and if you have enjoyed this video, you can click on that hype button.
In this restaurant, people like to have pomfrets, surmai, the reshado, the surmai, the prawns reshado, and the bombil fry is the top seller here.
Okay.
And the crabs with butter garlic, which
Okay.
people prefer here, come again and have it.
So it's not just Goa, it's Karnataka cuisine also which is included in the...
It's a mixture of basically towards the North Canara side.
Okay.
Yeah, and Goan, we have dishes with Goan cuisine, but
Okay.
basically it is from the Karwar and the Honavar, North
Okay.
Canara side cuisine, which is a homely cuisine made here.
Okay. Great. Nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. All of us had a splendid experience coming here at Fresh Catch by Francis, and this is what we paid. So our final bill comes to 6,690. Hello ma'am, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It's called Food Venture Folks. How do you find food here at Fresh Catch by Francis?
It's really good.
Okay. What are you trying?
I'm trying the comfort stuffed sulta.
Okay. So maybe please go ahead. You can try it out and tell me how's the taste.
Yummy.
Nice? Okay. Thank you. Let me show you the exact location of Fresh Catch by Francis. So this is the restaurant out here, and towards my left, the road that you see, this goes towards the Bandra station, and on this side there is National Bakery and the Costa Bakery, and the video is already uploaded on my channel. And if you go on this road straight, there is Holy Family Hospital, and just besides Holy Family Hospital there's J. Hirsch Bakery, and I've already uploaded a video on the same. You can check it out from the playlist.